this is the schematic of this feedback mechanism only, not the whole power supply. It's feedback mechanism LM393 and these optocouplers, how this feedback mechanism is sent back to the primary side. So the two optocouplers, one is here, the other one is here, and the output voltage is sent back to the primary side using this one, which is this one. We will be focusing on this one. In order to modify the voltage, forget this thing, will be discussed in another video. I will be focusing on this thing only because it is required for voltage modification. This thing is just a TL431, basically in simple words, variable Zener diode. Instead of placing a Zener diode at the downside of this optocoupler, we usually use a TL431 or a similar. This one here has name GB5. Yes, it's similar to TL431. TL431 is more common. So this is its reference voltage supplied through a voltage divider from output rails. This is the output rail. So in order to get the 24 volt output, you need to change either R1 or R2 or R1. You can do whatever you like, but when I try to change this to 24 volts, since this IC has an overvoltage protection, so I cannot go above 22 volts, but I can go downside up to 12 volts. Up to 12 volts I change it. Maybe you can go further, but it's not recommended. The transformer and everything else is designed around 19 volts, 19.5 volts. It will be very useful if I can, or if you can modify it to 24 volts, but for that you need to disable the overvoltage protection of this IC. The overvoltage protection is implemented through an auxiliary winding, which is actually a secondary winding, but its output is on this primary side using these diodes, and somehow it is implemented to this IC, which I have not done, or I have not figured out yet. Okay, so to change the output voltage to less than 22 volts, to whatever value, you just need to change these two resistors or this one, but I'm focusing on these two resistors. If you change the values of these two resistors, these two are in parallel, just the equivalent resistors. If you change it, the reference voltage changes here, the Zener voltage